Pandas DataFrame.query expression that returns all rows by default. I have discovered the pandas DataFrame.query method, and it almost does exactly what I needed it to, and implemented my own parser for, since I hadn't realized it existed, but really I should be using the standard method. I would like my users to be able to specify the query in a configuration file. The syntax seems intuitive enough that I can expect my non-programmer, but engineer, users to figure it out. There's just one thing missing: a way to select everything in the data frame. Sometimes what my users want to use is every row, so they would put all or something into that configuration option. In fact, that will be the default option. I tried df.query true, but that raised a key error. I tried df.query 1, but that returned the row with index 1. The empty string raised a value error. The only things I can think of are 1. Put an if clause every time I need to do this type of query, probably 3 or 4 times in the code, or 2. Subclass DataFrame and either reimplement query, or add a query underscore with underscore all method. And then use my own class every time instead of the pandas one. Is this the only way to do this?
Keep things simple, and use a function. Whenever you need to use this type of query, just call the function with the data frame in the query string. There's no need to use any extra if statements or subclass pd.dataframe. If you're restricted to using df.query, you can use a global variable. If you're not allowed to use global variables, and if your data frame isn't multi-indexed, you can use. All of these will properly handle NaN values.
df.query a level underscore 0 and a level underscore 0 will always return the full data frame, also when the index contains NaN values or even when the data frame is completely empty. In your particular case, you could then define a global variable all underscore true equals a level underscore 0 and a level underscore 0, as suggested in the comments by 0, so that your engineers could use the name of the global variable in their config file instead. This statement is just a dirty way to properly query true like you already tried. A level underscore 0 is a more formal way of making sure you are referring the index. See the docs here for more details on using in and a level underscore 0, this URL.
How much more?